Now I know cleaning our toilet brush is not the most glamorous task in our household, but it is one that we do know that needs to be done. So today I want to share with you my tip on how to clean your toilet brush. Now that's be it silicone like this one or a bristle brush one. And also let's answer that question on how frequently should we be cleaning our toilet brushes. The cleaning of your toilet brush along with the killing of germs can be achieved by just using one of these two cleaning agents, hydrogen peroxide or vinegar, which are both more of a natural alternative. Now if you want to use vinegar, then use 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. I will be using hydrogen peroxide as this is my preferred choice. Now, whenever I'm completing a toilet clean, I would always give my toilet brush head a fresh water rinse from the flush before replacing it back in the holder. Let me know in the comments section below if you do this also. But since then, I've learnt the following. Now, all you need to do is hold the toilet brush head over your toilet bowl and then generously spray the head with your chosen disinfectant, vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, ensuring that all sides are sprayed. Next, I give the handle a good wipe down with a disinfectant wipe. Then leave the toilet brush to air dry by placing it between the bowl and the toilet seat before replacing it back into its holder. Now when it comes to the holder, I tend to remove it from the wall, then give the inside a bit of a spray with my hydrogen peroxide. Then using a disinfectant wipe, I clean the outside and again leave it to air dry. Now once a month, I like to give both the brush and the holder a deep clean using bleach. You can catch this video at the end of this one. Now today's tip of the day. Now if you're using a bristle brush toilet brush, now's the time to make the switch to silicone. Now with a silicone toilet brush, they are easy to clean, they don't retain water and bacteria. Okay, for the main question now, how frequently should we be cleaning our toilet brush? And the answer to that, every time we use it. Now you must allow your toilet brush to air dry before putting it back into the holder. Now if you're not doing that, then you're going to need to clean your toilet brush on a weekly basis. Whereas if you do follow my instructions as shown today, you only need to give your toilet brush a nice deep clean once a month. Now check out the next video coming up on how to deep clean your toilet brush.